Got him. Did you? Did you?
He's right there. Go! Go, baby, let's go! It was unsafe. Here we go. Let's go!
Opening day 2024, motherfucker.
Let's go.
Probably shouldn't say motherfucker.
Tell me if you know for sure.
It's a...
What?
I can't tell. He's about to get in your window. He's just standing there now. I can't tell what he is. He's right there. He's about to be in your lane. I don't know what he is.
Alright, well, you can tell him.
Kill him when you can if you want. I can't. Can you see him?
No.
Dude, he's right there. He's to your right more. He crossed. I only saw the one so far.
Oh, there's one right there. Oh, it's Long Beach.
Alright. How far?
That one's far.
How far?
I'm gonna try it. Once he gets into this gap.
How far is he?
Got him.
Let me see it. Let me see. Is there another one?
Got him.
Let's fucking go. Oh,
Yes.
right there. What's that?
Come on, get down.
He's on the ground. I see him. Is that
Oh,
a
yeah.
hen right there?
No, that's another Long Beach.
Got him.
Did you?
Dude.
Did you?
He's right there.
Go!
Go, baby, let's go!
It was unsafe. Here we go.
Let's go! Yeah, dude!
Dude, 20 minutes till the
Talk
illegal.
about it, dude.
Let's go.
We just doubled.
Talk about a last minute. What do we have, 20 minutes left?
Yeah.
it's actually a good one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I'm glad we did that.
Dude, that was,
That
you
paid
couldn't
off.
have asked for anything better.
They saw us for a minute and they started to putt.
Yeah, that's why I was getting worried with him. He knew something was.
Skirting. He was trying to.
I think mine might be.
Originally called over there. He was being smart about it. They obviously had to go around this like wet bottom in the rock pile.
Yeah.
But I'm glad we moved because we were skyline bad.
That's why. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, mine was. Where was the tree we were on? Right there. So it's 45 yards.
Yeah. All day, and mine's about the same.
I don't know which one you got, but there was another longbeard.
Was there?
Oh yeah, he's a good one.
Show him off. What's he got for spurs?
Better than I thought.
Is it? Oh yeah, dude, look at the beard on him. Yeah, that's not bad. That's probably 3/4 inch spurs.
You know, good.
See the beard?
The camera. I couldn't see it. I faced away because I was trying to echo our call down into that tower.
Looks like a Jake. What's going on, guys? Friday, May 3rd. Just coming off the morning sit. Didn't have any luck. It's about 7:30 now. About to head to this small piece that I've been scouting pretty heavily, and they like to pass through there mid to late morning, so we're hoping to just gonna wait them out till noon and see what happens. That's a nice bird. Not bad. Nice spurs.